Hello, namaste. Have you checked your tax return? Are you paying the taxes or are you getting your tax return back? All right, today I'm going to show you how to check your tax return, pre-filled tax return, and apply for it. Remember, it's always good to check your pre-filled tax return because tax office makes several mistakes that you need to edit on. आज हामी चाहिँ ट्याक्स रिटर्नको बारेमा कुरा गर्छौँ होइन इन्कम रजिस्ट्रेसन र पेन्सन इन फिनल्यान्डको बारेमा है तपाईँले कति कमाउनु भयो अहिलेसम्म सबै यहाँबाट लेख्न मिल्छ है तर तपाईँले यो ट्याक्स रिटर्न चाहिँ होइन अनलाइनबाट चेक गर्न मिल्छ सो जस्ट क्लिक इन दिस पोस्ट and it will redirect you to this one. All right, let's get down. Remember, like we talk about three different things: tax return, income registration is like income registration extract. If somebody asks for your income registration extract, you can find it from here. And pension in Finland is like how much you have earned till the date in Finland. You will get to see all the details of your earnings here. I will show you how we do it, but let's check the tax return. Okay, first, if you scroll down, you will see here income registration. You can also check your income registration, and here you see your pensional information. But let's go up. आज हामी चाहिँ कुरा गर्छौँ tax return को बारेमा. Okay, you have to be extra careful and check it. Remember, like make necessary corrections if needed. Removing commuting expenses. This is what many people don't feel in, which they are entitled to. So today I will show you how to check and how to refill it. All right. So click in here. All right, let's click in here. It will redirect you to tax office. So the link is already in the English. So go to my tax and log into my tax. Remember, you need to have an online banking to register. All right, so when you get registered, you get this paper. So if you are if you are doing it for your own individual taxes, my taxes my click गर्ने. Another person's tax matter, you can click in here, or company's tax matter if you are acting on behalf of a company. But let's go your manage your personal tax matter. So let's click in here. So all right, we will see this uh, page. So if you want to bring your this is the tax card for 2025. If you need to print your tax card, so you can just get it from here. And if you go just down, you can just open tax card. This is for the 2025, but we check for the 2024. Let's get back. So let's click in here. So let's get back. Now let's go down pre-completed tax return. So this is already done by the Vero office, but it's always good to check. All right. So let's click in here. And now here you see it's already you will see all the details of your pre-completed tax return. Uh, Travel expenses have now this is the one that you need to fill in. Be very careful. Travel expenses, have you had commuting expenses? You can deduct them calculated by the cheapest means of transport available. So what you need to do is yes. So how do you feel this one, travel expenses? It's like if you are uh, so just click in here, just come down, and like you can just click in add new travel expenses. This is like if you live in Helsinki and if you work in Vantaa, like if you work out of your registered city, you can apply for this. So what you can do is select the type of travel commute. All right, so let's go more down. uh, Other than public transport, so here you will get your benza the petrol diesel expenses. There is no plumbing, a one-way walking distance is at least there is more than 2 hours of delivery done. Travel begins or ends between. So if you are working early morning, you can also indicate here, or here you can just write like I work on like your own car. Yes, so you can just click in here. And then you come back. Have you made the same routine trip regularly? Yes. Home address is this. Now address of the place of work required. So I work on the airport, so I write Lentayan TAX. Daily one-way travel distance. So one-way travel distance is almost 22 kilometer. So like you can write your and what is your average distance kilometers. So mine one is almost like 22 kilometer. So I update in here. So 22 kilometer. It's almost 21 kilometer. In Vantaa, if you live in Vantaa, working in Espoo, and if you use public transport, you can just click on the public transport uh, or whichever transport is there, and then apply for this public transport. All right, so I filled in my details. So let's get down. Let's get down. Okay, let's get down. Number of commuting days during this specific. Now this is the one what you need to be careful. So just write like how many days. So remember like January 24 to December 30. So like how many days? Like so basically there is 20 days a week. I mean 20 days a month. So you travel almost 20 days a month means 12 to the 24. So there also includes your holidays and all these things. So you need to be very careful while filling in this form. So what I do is normally like there is 20 days a week and you get holidays. So I just write 11 into 22. So 11 into 20 days. So it's like 220 days. So just click in here and like if you there is something so it comes like this report the start and end date of a regular commute intended travel is one period even if it includes a break during which are not included. So if you go work 5 days a week during 11 months the average number of commuting days is 22 per month. So they say like 22 per month, so you can write 242 a year. So all right, so let's write 242 a year. Okay, so now you see it so I have traveled almost like 10,000 kilometer and average expenses at 0.2.7. So total travel expenses is 2,874. So I will get some deduction in this during my tax return. So I just write it okay. So remember to fill the travel expenses. If you are traveling, you won't get travel discount while you are in Helsinki or working on the same city. But if you work in another city where you don't reside and a maximum amount of kilometer, you can file in. So now you see your own car. So I have filled in this. So many people they don't know about this one. So please be extra careful in this one and fill it. So we can get down. So let's go down. Now you see total deduction for travel expenses. This is the amount. I paid like almost 2000, but this is the one what will be deducted from my tax percent. And then I might get some kind of return from it. So this is the one very important thing. Remember, like Finnish government is there to help you. Okay, so they take tax from you, they give back to you. If you don't pay the tax, they will take back to you. So these are the things commuting expenses. Remember to fill in wisely. Sometimes they fill it automatic, but sometimes they don't fill it. So you have to be extra careful while you get those pre-completed tax return. All right. So now let's go down and check. Is there anything? No, no. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down, let's go down, and then we can just put next. So now you can double check it. You see, is everything all right? And then hit the submit button. Now, if you are unsure, you can just click on save as unfinished. But if you have made everything, then just hit on the submit button. All right.